If you're thinking about buying the super big traffic bundle, watch this first, because this is not for everyone. Most people promoting this won't tell you the downsides. But I will. Let's be real. If you're a beginner trying to make money online, traffic is the biggest problem. You've probably posted content with no views, bought courses that didn't work or worse. Wasted money on tools that promised traffic but delivered nothing. So in this video, I'm going to break down what this bundle actually is, whether it can get you traffic, and most importantly, if you should buy it. And I'm not here to sell you hype, I'm here to help you make a smart decision. Even if you don't buy this, I'll show you how this method works, so you can apply it yourself. Here's the honest truth: this bundle is not a scam. But it's also not magic. It can help you get traffic, but only if you already understand what to do with that traffic. And that's where most people fail. So what is the super big traffic bundle? In simple terms, it's a collection of tools, methods, and resources designed to help you get traffic to offers, promote affiliate links, use done-for-you systems. Think of it like a shortcut toolbox, not a complete business. But here's where things get interesting. Explain like screen recording. Inside the bundle, you typically get traffic sources, like solo ads, tools, methods, training videos, done-for-you funnels/pages step by step. You pick an offer, affiliate product, you use their traffic method, you send traffic to your link. Sounds simple, right? But simple does not mean easy. And this is exactly where most people lose money. Let me show you a realistic flow. Step 1, choose a product, like from warriorplus. Step 2, get your affiliate links. Step 3, use traffic method from bundle. Step 4, send people to your offer. Step 5, earn commission. Example, 100 visitors, 2 to 5% conversion. You make money, but only if your funnel and targeting are right. Now here's something most videos won't tell you: you don't need this bundle to get traffic. Free method: use YouTube Shorts, use Instagram Reels, use TikTok Post. Problem solution: CTA. This can generate free traffic daily. Most beginners fail because buying tools without strategy. Expecting instant results, not understanding audience. Tools don't make money, strategy does. This next part might surprise you. Saves time, beginner-friendly structure, gives ideas for traffic and shortcut, learning curve, not a push-button system. Traffic quality may vary, requires consistency, can waste money if misused. This is where most affiliates lie, but this matters. Versus free methods: free equals slower but sustainable, bundle equals faster but risky. Versus other tools, similar to other bundles. Not unique, just packaged differently. WHO should buy beginners who want guidance, people willing to test and learn. Affiliate marketers: WHO should not buy lazy users, people expecting quick money, people with zero strategy. And here's the part no one talks about. Traffic is not the problem. Conversion is. You can get traffic, but if your offer sucks, you won't make money. Here's my honest conclusion: it's helpful, it's not essential, it works only with strategy. If you treat it like a magic button, you'll fail. If you want to check it out, link is in the description. But only go for it if it actually makes sense for your situation. If you found this helpful, subscribe. Because I'm going to keep breaking down tools honestly, no hype, no scams.